Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of my Pondicherry vlog. For previous vlogs of Pondicherry and Mahabalipuram, please check the card in upper right corner of screen or in description box. Also, if you like my video, please like, share, comment the video and please subscribe to my channel. We started our third day in Pondicherry with an awesome sunrise in Rock Beach and all set for a peaceful and spiritual experience. Hope you already understand. Yes, we will visit the famous Auroville today. For breakfast, we came to the very famous Baker Street Cafe. Oh my god! The craze of the place is real. We didn't even get the seat to sit. You will get all type of French breakfast here, different types of chocolates, ice cream, pastries, sandwich, burgers, cakes and their very famous frosted tarts and many more. Auroville is an experimental township only 30 minutes drive away from White Town of Pondicherry. It is a very unique place, a township and a community created in the 60s by a lady known as Mother along with the inspiration from Sri Aurobindo, who has a famous Aurobindo ashram in Pondicherry town. It's a place created with no nation, no religion, and its aim is live freely with peace and find a new way to live. If you are coming Auroville for a day trip from Pondicherry, book a private cab or auto and reach Auroville. Also, you can stay in Auroville. They have many other stay options. This is Auroville Museum. You can see the belief and architecture of Auroville. Also, you can visit one short film of building this community. From the main gate of Auroville, you need to walk for quite long, but believe me, you will not get tired. There are plenty of trees beside the walking path. Just enjoy walking with your partner or friends. If you have an elderly person with you, they will provide bus services for them. After 20 minutes of walk, you will reach the point where bus will leave elderly person. From this point, Matri Mandir viewpoint is another 10 minutes walk. So Matri Mandir can be viewed as a large golden sphere, symbolizing the birth of new consciousness. Inside Matri Mandir there is concentration chamber. People said that it is a serene and peaceful experience to visit the inside of the Matri Mandir. But unfortunately we didn't get pass. You need to collect the pass at least 2 days before. All passes are free here. There are many small cafes and pizza centers in Auroville. I recommend those places. But as we missed it, we came to a French restaurant called One View Surfing near to our BNB and ordered pasta, seafood soup, rice and chicken for lunch. Restaurant is nicely decorated and foods are very good. After taking some rest, we thought of visiting the mini city. Started with the sacred place Aurobindo Ashram. You can see people are doing meditation near tombs of Mother and Sri Aurobindo. Also, ashram has bookstores where you can buy books on spirituality. Next stop is Manakula Vinayagar Temple. This is a Hindu Ganesh temple, but there is another attraction which is an elephant named Lakshmi. Greets tourists every afternoon from 4 to 7:30 pm. You can get blessings from this sweet tempered elephant. Next two places are Gandhi statue and French War Memorial. Both are in two opposite sides of promenade. Gandhi statue is beautifully decorated with lights and French Memorial is dedicated to the World War soldiers who sacrificed their lives. In night, walking in promenade is another experience altogether. You can see lot of people are walking, eating and roaming around. This place has a very positive vibe in night. Highly recommended this promenade for a relaxed ending of the trip. That ends our Pondicherry vlog. Thanks for watching guys. We'll come back shortly with our new vlog.